Welcome to Level 1. In this walkthrough, we'll explore each interactive element on every slide in this level. Starting with the cover page, let's click the right arrow button to move forward. On the warm-up slide, click the hand button here to reveal which parts of the page are interactive. Let's click and drag each of these items to explore further. Next is the contents page, where you'll see all sections of this lesson. You can click on an option, like Song, to jump directly to that section. The Home button here will bring you back to the contents page at any time. For navigation help, there's also a tooltip button on each page. This tooltip provides instructions on how to navigate the page, like this one. Now moving on to vocabulary. Let's click the question mark, then the picture. To close the window, click the X button. In vocabulary practice, you can use this pen to draw or connect items as part of the activity. For phonics, the tooltip says, click each wave to reveal the letters I and N. Let's click the first and second waves to reveal them. For phonics practice, it says that the student will drag letters. To find draggable letters, we can click the hand button. Let's try with the letter B. In phonics reading, check the tooltip. It guides the teacher in assisting the student with reading the sentence. Next, in sentence patterns, we have a tooltip with teacher guidance on introducing the sentence pattern to the student. Similarly, in sentence patterns practice, the student will answer the question based on the pattern. For Let's Talk, the tooltip guides the teacher to ask a question and the student will respond. In Sight Words, the teacher introduces the given words to the student. In Sight Words, practice. You can use the pencil to write the sentence. In the grammar section, click the tooltip to see the instruction. The teacher will introduce letter names and sounds. In grammar practice, click also the tooltip for instructions. and the hand button to reveal draggable and interactive letters. For math, click the tooltip to get the instructions for skip counting by 5. In math practice, we can use the pen to write the missing numbers on the page. For Express Yourself, click the tooltip for instruction. Here the teacher will ask a question and the student will answer. Finally, in the game section, the most exciting part. Click the tooltip for instructions and then click all the aquarium animals. This concludes the Level 1 walkthrough, giving you an overview of each interactive feature to enhance your lesson experience.